The area around Santa Fe Depot in downtown San Diego is one of the wealthiest and most prosperous areas of the city. Much of this can be credited to being the southern terminus of Amtrak's Pacific Surfliner route. This area is what is known as a quiet zone. Train operators are not allowed to use their horns except in emergencies, because they disturb residents of nearby apartment buildings. In early 2024, the Federal Railroad Administration removed the quiet zone for 2 weeks, after determining that the level crossings were not safe enough and had not been updated by the city in a decade. Earlier, there had been 3 deaths in 36 hours in San Diego County, which may have led to the inquiry. Residents were outraged at the noise level of the horns, and local news almost exclusively focused on their reactions. But the operators seem happy to be able to use this important safety tool again. Now that the quiet zone has been reinstated, pedestrians continue to regularly walk in front of the path of oncoming trains. In this footage in the San Francisco Bay Area, a pedestrian crosses in front of an arriving train, forcing the operator to activate the emergency brake.
Stop arriving, San Joaquin train 718.
Really, dude? Really? That guy just scared the hell out of me. That scared the hell out of me.
With the bicycle, he's not getting off the train.
Hey, homie, don't do that. Come on.
Go away.
In downtown San Diego in 2010, during a Padres game, a long freight train was crossing and was forced into emergency brake by impatient baseball fans trying to get to the game. The train attempts to back up and clear the crossing, but fans climbing on and under the freight cars force it to stop yet again.
That's his other big one. His are us.
Now, a bridge that was being built at the time allows pedestrians to cross over.